Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Payal Chakraborty and today I have created a glam party look. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. Here I am using Nivea Soft Moisturizer of the Rose variant. Next I am using Swiss Beauty Silicone Based Primer to prep my skin up for the base. I'm brushing my eyebrow with the spoolie brush and filling it with Music Flower Brown Pomade. Using a Zoeva angular brush to fill in my eyebrows. Brushing my eyebrows once again to set everything in place. Next I'm using an orange concealer from Kryolan Supra Color. This is in the shade 350. I'm using this to cover any dark spots and dark circles in my face. I'm blending the orange concealer into my skin with a wet sponge. To get a flawless base, you need to always color correct your face correctly. Today I'm using PAC HD foundation in the shade 1.6 to do my base makeup. This foundation gives a high definition finish without making your base cakey. I'm using a flat brush from Zoeva to blend the foundation into my skin. It's very important to blend the foundation perfectly into the skin to get that flawless base without any kind of cakiness on your face. I'm further blending the product into my skin with a wet sponge. This makes your foundation looks flawless. Using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer on the highest points of my face and also on my eyelids. This concealer is in the shade of Ivory. I'm blending the concealer with a wet sponge. It's very essential to blend your concealer along with your foundation so there are no harsh lines visible. Next I'm using Miss Clear Banana Powder to set my base into place and also to bake under the eyes. To help your foundation from getting oily or sweaty, you need to powder your face with a good translucent powder. For the eyes I'm using, you can be pretty all set eyeshadow palette and taking a burnt orange shade, I'm using it as a transition color of my crease area. I'm using a Zoeva eyeshadow blending brush to blend the color into my crease area. Next I'm mixing this dark and medium brown shadow and further intensifying the color on my crease area. Continuing with the same blending brush, next I'm taking the dark brown shade from the same palette and will intensify the crease area more. I'm using a flat shader brush to do the thing. While doing this kind of look, make sure there are no harsh lines in your eyeshadow. Make sure to blend it really very well. Next I am taking the same darker brown shade and intensifying in the outer corner area of my eye with the same flat brush. Again I am blending everything with the blending brush to remove any kind of harsh lines. Here I am using the rose gold shimmery eyeshadow from the same palette and putting it on my eyelid with the help of my fingers. I am further taking a flat eyeshadow brush to give it a cut crease effect and further intensifying the color on my eyelids. Next I am taking this silvery white eyeshadow color to highlight my inner corner. I am further spreading the color inward of my eye and also putting the same shade on the brow bone area to highlight that area. Next I am repeating the same colors that I have done on the crease area in the lower lash line. I felt the need to blend the outer corner area of my eye and therefore I am doing it. It's very necessary to blend your eyeshadows really well. Next I am blending the lower lash line with the darker shadow and also putting the rose gold shadow in the frontal area. Here I am tightlining my eyes with Avon Kajal. Next I am using Glam 21 white color pencil to put it on my waterline. This will make my eyes look more open. Next I am dusting off the excess powder from my face. Here I am using Hilary Rhoda Sketch Eyeliner pen to draw a winged eyeliner. Make sure your eyeliner looks very sharp and clean. Take time to draw the wing very nicely and prominently. I am using Miss Claire eyeshadow in the shade 150 to contour my face. From the same palette that I've used for my eye, I am using a blush shade to put blusher on my cheekbones. From the same palette, I'm using the two highlighter shades to highlight my face. I'm using a fan brush from Zoeva brush palette. Make sure to blend your highlighter very well into the skin for a flawless look. I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm using Glam 21 lip pencil in the shade Bobby Brown. I've done my falsies off the camera because I'm not comfortable in filming it. Here I'm using my Glam Lit Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Micro Cheating. Though liquid lipsticks are very drying, but this formula is very soothing to your lips and also has a powder finish. I'm setting my face with the Glam 21 Makeup Fixer to set everything in place. Guys, if you have liked my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share in the comment section that what part did you like the best. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more tutorials like this. Till then, bye bye, see you next time.